Since you already know the definitions of the sixth trigonometric ratio, let's have an example on how we will illustrate the sixth trigonometric ratio. Let us consider this right triangle. Theta is the reference angle. The measure of the sides of the triangles are 3, 4, and 5. So let us illustrate the sixth trigonometric ratio. The sine theta, cosine theta, tangent theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, and cotangent theta. Okay, so let us use the SOHCAHTOA to find the three basic trigonometric ratio, which is sine theta is equals to opposite over the hypotenuse. So from the given illustration, the opposite side of the theta is equals to 4 and then the hypotenuse or 5. Therefore, sine theta is equals to 4 over 5. Then for or cosine theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. So cosine theta is equals to 3 since the adjacent sides of the triangle is 3 and then the hypotenuse is 5. For TOA or tangent theta is equals to opposite over adjacent. So from the illustration, we have the opposite side which is 4 and then the adjacent is 5. Therefore, tangent theta is equals to 4 over 3. And then, for the reciprocal of the right triangle or the reciprocal of the trigonometric ratio, which is cosecant theta, is hypotenuse over the opposite. So, from the illustration, 5 is the opposite side and then the opposite is 4. And then, for secant theta, that is hypotenuse over adjacent. Hypotenuse is 5 and then the adjacent is 3. Therefore, secant theta is 5 over 3. And for cotangent theta, that is adjacent over opposite. So therefore, cotangent theta is 3 since the adjacent side is 3 and then the opposite side is 4. So, the sixth trigonometric ratio based on the given triangle, we have sine theta is 4 over 5. Cosine theta is 3 over 5, tangent theta is 4 over 3, and then cosecant theta is 5 over 4, secant theta is 5 over 3, and then cotangent theta is 3 over 4. I hope that you learned something on my video presentation. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.